First of all, welcome and thank you so much doing this to us. It really means a lot, Sachin. Thank you and welcome back to Skill Find Me YouTube channel. Firstly, I would like to understand about your professional background in terms of experience, domain, and your current organization. Could you please give us a brief overview of your professional background?
I am Sachin. I am working at Adeto. I have 4 years of experience, and I was working in the DevOps and security field. It's a cyber security company, and this role is more regarding the software development part and working on it as a DevOps engineer and the security pipelines which I was creating.
All right. So, which organization you're currently working in right now?
It is Adeto.
Okay, all right. So if you join a course, this is a 3 months course that you have joined. So I would like to understand your feedback about the instructor and the way he teaches in class. So what is your overall feedback about the instructor and the curriculum?
So far, it is going good. The instructor is very well versed. He is giving the proper hands-on knowledge, and he is using the live examples in the classes, which is currently helping. And he is giving enough time to understand the things, and he is giving enough breaks also, so where we can go and do the practical hands-on. So that's currently working very good in for the learning part.
Good to it. So I would like to understand, when you join a course as a learner, you have certain doubts whether you'll get hands-on or you'll get practical in this course or not. So how was that experience for this particular course?
There are so many courses in the market, and I was having doubt, like, this is a certification course where I will get only the theory part, or I will get the hands-on also. So I had those doubts initially. They were cleared initially. I have raised this question to the team, and they have cleared everything, how the things will go, how the lab will be set up, and how it will go.
Got it. So lastly, I would like to understand, when you join a course, apart from instructor curriculum, there are certain scenarios or circumstances that you might face as a learner. So how was support for this particular course for you? Specifically, if I have to know, what was your experience with the support team? Because generally instructors are available for 3 hours or 2 hours. After that, if you need something, you have to connect with your mentor or like that, right? So how was that experience for you so far?
Support is good actually. We have an anonymous portal, so I usually raise the support case on that, and I will get answers in one day. If I have any doubt on weekdays, so then also I will be getting the answers also. And this is not stopping the journey of learning. So
glad to hear it. So lastly, any message or anything that you want to say to the learners who are planning or who wants to join this course, but they are stopping, thinking about how it is going to be their experience? So what will be your message to them?
Course and curriculum which I'm trying to learning, it is starts from very basic, and it is going to advanced levels. You don't need to know much, but at the end of course, I think you will get more of the knowledge, and you are industry ready, and you can join the organization or your dream company.
Great. So thank you once again for doing this, and it really means a lot. If you face any concern, you have the LMS portal, you have your mentor number, just reach out to us.